Hey, welcome back to the channel. In the video today, I've got the Soundpeats Air 6 HS wireless earbuds. So these are them in the box. We're going to have a look at them today and just see what the sound quality is like, and the build quality is on these Soundpeats wireless earbuds. So let's just get straight into the video. Okay, so here is the Soundpeats Air 6 HS. This is them in the box, in this white box. So as you can see, the logo there for Soundpeats. So they're a high-res audio wireless LDAC wireless earbuds. So they do have a 13mm dynamic driver, 45 hours playtime, and dual mic for clear calls. So these are their brand new wireless earbuds. So as you can see here, hear the difference on the side of the box there, hear the difference as you can see. So what we're going to do, we're going to quickly get them open and have a look what you get inside the box. Okay, so this is them out of the box in this plastic case. So it's a really soft plastic case there. You've got your USB-C charging input there, and let's just open them up. So like I said, I've got them in the black. They do come in a white as well, so these are the ones that they did send out to me. So I'm not being paid or sponsored or anything by Soundpeats. They did contact me to send these out for me to review. So we'll just have a look at them now. So I'll just get one out of the box. So this is the earbuds here. So they've not got like ear tips. So it is just the shell of the body there. Obviously you use these in the gym, etc. They're a bit like the old AirPods where they didn't have the cushions on there. They do fit nice in the ear, but they do tend to move when you've got them in the ear and if you're doing any exercise or anything. But I do like the stem design on them, like AirPods. So what I do, I will show you what they look like as well in the ears when I've got them on. I'm not too sure about the design, but I'll show you what they look like when you've got them in the ears. So like I said, these are their new high quality earbuds by Soundpeats. Okay, so I'm gonna get them put into my ears now. I'll show you what they look like when they are in your ears. I've got some music on, so they do go in quite nice, but like I said, I am missing the earbud tips, like what you get on AirPods and other wireless earbuds. So they do fit in your ears okay, so that's what they look like when they're in your ear. So as you can see, that's how they sit. Got the stems on them. Okay, so the bass is okay, so that's the bass okay. The mids, they sound all right as well. The highs are a bit muffled, but I'm not too, because if you're wearing these at the gym, because they've got no like earbud tips on, they do tend, if you're moving about, they do tend to come out of your ears. But the sound quality is okay for these Soundpeats Air 6 HS. So it does come with the Soundpeats app, because I have reviewed some Soundpeats headphones on this channel before, so you can go back on my videos and have a look at those videos as well. But yeah, the sound quality is really good. Let me just take one out. So again, you got that design there, you know, the stem, but they haven't got the actual earbud tips on there. So you know, they do sit in your ears, but they can move about a bit. But apart from that, they, Soundpeats do make really good earbuds. So like I said, I have reviewed some on my channel before. Have a look. I may leave the link down in the description. So these are the new wireless earbuds by Soundpeats, the Air 6HS. So I will leave the link below in the description of where you can get these headphones from. So you can click on the link. They'll be on the Amazon link. If you click on a link, I do get a bit of a kickback if you do click on that link to purchase them on Amazon. So it was just a quick video on these new wireless earbuds from Soundpeats. So if you could like, subscribe and comment on my channel, because like I said, I'm nearing 1,000 subscribers and I want to hit that goal and grow this channel a lot more going forward in the future. Quite a few videos coming up, a few companies are contacting me as well on my channel. Hope to see you all again soon on my channel, BKM Tech Reviews. Have a nice day.